Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to this video from SHIKKHA YouTube channel. I am KEKA. In this video, I will make a dialogue and animation with Scratch. It's a very simple dialogue about your school. First, I write the dialogue in a Word document. It's a dialogue about your or my school. First, KEKA says, "Hi, how are you doing?" So for this dialogue, we need two sprites, and I click choose a sprite and click people and need a girl. It's I like if. First, I edit costume, delete. First, I go to events and need when green for click. I zoom code and go to motion and need go to X position and Y position. First I delete sprite 1. Go to X position and Y position, and I go to looks and need switch costume to ELF-C. Yes, it's C. And say hello for 2 seconds, but not hello. It's hi, how are you doing? And I paste say hi, how are you doing for 2 seconds, and I click green flag. Hi, how are you doing? Then I go to events and need broadcast message 1, but not message 1, it's KEKA 1. KEKA 1. Okay. Then I go to choose a sprite and need another sprite. It's also a people and it's Abby and it's also a girl. Abby, and I change size. It's okay, it's nice. And I go to costume and edit costume, select and okay. Then I need when I receive KEKA 1, go to looks and need switch costume to AVD, but it's AB1, ABA, and say hello for 2 seconds, but it's not only hello, it's I'm fine, how about yourself? I copy and paste these things. Say I am fine, how about yourself for 2 seconds. So I click green flag. Hi, how are you doing? I'm fine, how about yourself? Then I go to events again and need broadcast KEKA 1, but not KEKA 1, it's KUHU 1. Okay, and go to looks, need switch costume to AVD before broadcast KUHU 1. Also ELF, go to costume ELF A before broadcast KEKA 1. I click green flag. Hi, how are you doing? I'm fine, how about yourself? Then I go to events and need when I receive KEKA 1, but it's not KEKA 1, it's KUHU 1. When I receive KUHU 1, and I duplicate this. Go to X position and Y position, switch costume to ELF-C and say how are you doing, but not it's how are you doing, it's I am pretty good, thanks for asking. I copy and paste this writing, and it's for 3 seconds. And broadcast KEKA 2. KEKA 2. Okay. And I go to AVI and duplicate this code. When I receive KEKA 2, switch costume to AVI, I say I am fine. How about yourself? For 2 seconds, but not I am fine. How about yourself? It's no problem. So how have you been? And switch costume to IVD. And first switch costume to not AVI, it's AVB. So I click green flag. Hi, how are you doing? I'm fine. How about yourself? I'm pretty good. Thanks for asking. No problem. So how have you been? Okay, and broadcast KUHU 1, not KUHU 1. It's KUHU 2. New message, KUHU 2. And before that, I need a stage or backdrop. So choose a backdrop, and it's outdoors. I like jungle. No, not jungle, it's metro. Okay, it's metro. And I go to LF, duplicate this code. When I receive KUHU 1, but not KUHU 1, it's KUHU 2. Switch costume, it's fine. Say I'm pretty good, thanks for asking, but not pretty good. It's I have been great. What about you? For 2 seconds, and switch costume to ELFR, broadcast KEKA 2. Not KEKA 2, it's KEKA 3. KEKA 3. Okay, then I go to AVI and duplicate. When I receive KEKA 2, but not KEKA 2, it's KEKA 3. When I receive KEKA 3, switch costume to AVB, and I have been good. I'm in school right now. It's for 3 seconds, and switch costume to AVD, broadcast KUHU 3. Then I go to ELF and duplicate when I receive KUHU 2, but it's not KUHU 2, it's KUHU 3, and switch costume to ELF there. Say, what school do you go now? What school do you go to? For 2 seconds, switch costume to ELFR, broadcast KEKA 4. Okay, then I go to AVI and duplicate when I receive KEKA 3. I need when I receive KEKA 4. Switch costume to AVB, and AVB not, it's AVR. I have been good, I'm in school right now. It's not. I go to Nazrul Shikshalaya, copy and paste. It's for 2 seconds, and switch costume to AVD, broadcast KUHU 4. And I go to ELF, duplicate KUHU 3, and say, do you like it there? For 2 seconds, switch costume to ELFR and broadcast KEKA 5. Go to AVI and duplicate when I receive KEKA 4. It's not KEKA 4, it's KEKA 5. Switch costume to AVR, not AVI, it's AVB, and say, it's okay, it's really a nice school. For 2 seconds. Switch costume to AVD and broadcast KUHU 5. So new message, KUHU 5. Okay, then I go to ELF and duplicate this code. when I receive KUHU 3, but it's not KUHU 3, it's KUHU 4 and it's KUHU 5. Then I write or copy paste good luck with school. Switch costume to ELFC, say good luck with your school. Switch costume to ELFR and broadcast KEKA 6. Two messages, KEKA 6. Okay. Then I go to AV and duplicate this KEKA 6. When I receive KEKA 6, switch costume to AV and say thank you very much. Thank you very much and switch costume to AVD, not broadcast any message. Okay, so I click green flag. Hi, how are you doing? I'm fine. How about yourself? I'm pretty good. Thanks for asking. No problem. So how have you been? I have been great. What about you? I'm been good. I'm in school right now. What school do you go to? I go to Nazrul Shikshalaya. Do you like it there? It's okay. It's really a nice school. Good luck with school. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.